Imagine launching a full website without hiring a developer, writing code, or designing a single page. AI is making it possible, and today, I'll show you 5 AI tools that can build your website in seconds. Whether you need a personal blog, business site, or landing page, AI has got you covered. Method 1. 10Web, AI-powered WordPress website builder. 10Web uses AI to instantly create WordPress websites from just a description. You get a fully customizable site optimized for SEO and mobile. Method 2. Durable AI, a business website in 30 seconds. Need a small business website fast? Durable AI builds a full website, including text, images, and layout, in under 30 seconds. Just enter your business name, and AI does the rest. Method 3. Mixo AI, landing pages and e-commerce in minutes. Mixo AI is perfect for startups and digital entrepreneurs. It creates beautiful landing pages, portfolios, and e-commerce stores without any coding. Just enter a few details, and AI generates everything. Method 4. CodeWP, AI that writes custom WordPress code. If you need custom WordPress features but don't know how to code, CodeWP is your best friend. It writes and optimizes WordPress code using AI, so you can create powerful sites without hiring a developer. Method 5. Framer AI, the next-gen website builder. Want a modern, fully animated website with AI automation? Framer AI generates professional, interactive websites in minutes. No design experience needed. AI is revolutionizing web development, making it easier than ever to create stunning websites in seconds. Which AI tool will you try first? Let me know in the comments.